Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Drew Adams, and today we're going to talk about why Elon Musk tweeted this. So, on Tesla's meteoric rise over this last year, it's no surprise that there have been a lot of new investors getting in and behind Tesla. At the same time, a lot of hedge fund companies have targeted Tesla and looked to short them because of a couple of reasons. And here's one main one. When looking to purchase stocks, one of the tools that you use is a metric called PE ratio. PE stands for price to earnings. The PE ratio is one of the most widely used metrics for investors to determine stock valuation. In addition to showing whether a company's stock price is overvalued or undervalued, it helps investors determine the market value of a stock compared to the company's earnings. According to Wall Street Journal, the average PE ratio for all the companies in the S&P 500 is about 22. At the close of the market, January 29th, 2021, Tesla's PE ratio closed at 1,517. So according to those statistics, Tesla is trading at a price that is 70 times higher than the average of the rest of the S&P 500. This is obviously going to put a target on Tesla's back when it comes to these hedge funds and the whole game that they're playing when it comes to shorting companies. A higher PE ratio could also show that investors are willing to pay a higher share price today because of growth expectations in the future. So now that we have a little bit of the history and understanding of how the stock market works when it comes to valuation, enter GameStop. GameStop currently has the highest percentage of shares being shorted right now. That being said, no stock has ever been shorted more in terms of dollars as Tesla has. In fact, on its meteoric rise back in July of 2020, Tesla was shorted $20 billion. And despite Tesla being shorted so often and these hedge fund companies pushing back against Tesla, Tesla has still continued to grow because of the fact that investors have a lot of confidence in what Tesla has to offer in the future. It's definitely the direction that we're all going when it comes to vehicles. Gas-powered vehicles are now a thing of the past. So that being said, Elon's company, Tesla, has been shorted billions and billions of dollars. There's no way that Elon is cool with that. And so he definitely has a sour taste in his mouth when it comes to these big hedge fund companies and how they try to push companies' prices lower. So Elon decides to put out a tweet on January 26th that says, GameStonk. What happened afterwards was absolutely incredible. Take a look at this. GameStop went from 145 a share all the way to 289 a share overnight. It could be easily argued that this is Elon's way of getting back at the big hedge fund companies. 2 days later, on January 28th, Elon sends out this tweet. You can't sell houses you don't own. You can't sell cars you don't own, but you can sell stocks you don't own. This is BS. Shorting is a scam. So it's no big secret that Elon hates these big hedge fund companies that go around and manipulate the market. And so essentially we can all agree that Elon Musk doesn't have a heart of gold, but a heart of diamonds. So if you found any of this information informative or wanted to get caught up in what is going on currently with GameStop and Elon and these billion-dollar hedge fund companies, do me a huge favor and turn that like button into diamond hands. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and stop by later to check out more of the videos I will be posting.